One simple way of thinking about getting from the radius all the way to the cylinder is to think about the stages it goes through. To get from the radius of a circle to this square, we just multiply radius times radius equals radius squared. Simply square your radius to get the square. To get from the square back to the radius, we do the opposite of squaring the number. We square root. So if the square has an area of 100, the radius is 10 because the square root of 100 is 10. Remember, there are a little over 3 of these squares to fill this circle. In fact, there's about 3.14, or pi. If you multiply the area of that square times pi, you'll get the area of that circle. If you know the area of the circle, to get back to the area of the square, we just do the opposite. We divide by pi. To get from the circle, which is the base of the cylinder, to the cylinder, we just multiply by h, because the area of the circle times h will equal the volume of the cylinder. To get from the volume of the cylinder back to the area of the circle, we do the opposite. We divide by h. If for some reason you need the diameter, not the radius, to get from the radius to the diameter, just multiply by 2, because the radius is halfway across the circle, the diameter goes all the way across the circle, so it's just 2 radiuses, or radii as they call it. If you know your diameter, to get back to the radius, just do the opposite and divide by 2. Understanding how to get from one stage to the next is the basis for really understanding the formula for the volume of a cylinder.